Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? I am in love with this beautiful coppery look that I was able to create using the liquid eyeshadow lipsticks as an eyeshadow hack that I recently shared. I hope you guys like it as well. So here is how I created it. As I mentioned in the do's and don'ts video, I started by using an eyeshadow primer. Here I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in 02 and I'm blending it with a brush. If you haven't seen the do's and don'ts video, definitely check it out. It's linked in the description box below. Now to start the look, I'm using an ultra matte ColourPop lipstick in the shade Limbo. I applied a very small amount in the outer corner and started by blending it inwards, and then I blended it upwards and outwards towards the outer end of my eyebrows. I had to add more product because I felt like I needed more color in there. I really love the matte looks this hack creates. And now for my upper crease, I took an Ofra lipstick in the shade Daytona Beach. I received this one in one of my mystery bags from Ofra and I honestly don't like it for my lips, but I love this color in my crease. And then I added to my lower lash line, but I forgot my one eye at a time rule and then I had to rush between the two eyes, blending them out simultaneously. Thankfully, the Ofra lipsticks are not the very fast drying kind, so I was glad that I was able to actually blend it out. Now for shimmers, I started with AOA Wonder Metal lipstick in the shade Cyber and I applied it directly with the doe foot applicator that the lipstick comes with in the inner 1/3 of my lid. Honestly, I wish this shade was a little bit more pigmented. And then just as I mentioned in the hacks video, I did a little bit of cleanup using a Q-tip wherever I felt like I was making any mistakes. Over the rest of my lids, I used another Shop Miss A lipstick, another Wonder Metal in the shade Saint. I absolutely love this lipstick. It's amazingly pigmented and beautiful and shiny. I used the wand from the Saint to overlap the two shades and then used a smudger brush to create a nicely blended look. As I mentioned, Cyber, I felt like I needed to add more, so I kept on adding more. Did a little more cleanup wherever needed. Added more Cyber till I was satisfied with the look. And then I added more of the matte Limbo shade on the outer corner to darken it up. Finally, I applied some black eyeliner and mascara and finished the look by adding Becca's Topaz Flashes Gilt Highlighter in my inner corner and blending it 1/4 of the way on my lower lash line as well. As I mentioned in the hacks video, I prefer using a highlighter in my inner corners. And here is the final look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you again for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!